Hello everyone, let we say time complexity and space complexity. This topic we discuss. First, time complexity. Second, space complexity and their examples. Time complexity and space complexity. Generally, there is always more than one way to solve a problem in computer science with different algorithms. Therefore, it is highly required to use a method to compare the solutions in order to judge which one is more optimal. The method must be first independent of the machine and its configuration on which the algorithm is running on. Next shows a direct correlation with the number of inputs. And the last one can distinguish two algorithms clearly without ambiguity. Time complexity. The time complexity of an algorithm quantifies the amount of time taken by an algorithm to run as a function of the length of the input. Note that the time to run is a function of the length of the input and not the actual execution time of the machine on which the algorithm is running on. In order to calculate time complexity on an algorithm, it is assumed that a constant time c is taken to execute one operation, and then the total operations for an input length on n are calculated. Consider an example to understand the process of calculation. Suppose This is the example of time complexity. Space complexity. The space complexity of an algorithm quantifies the amount of space taken by an algorithm to run as a function of the